Is it good?
What?
In ancient times, Queen Cleopatra of Egypt took flax and milk to keep her skin silky smooth. Queens are so beautiful. Let's add milk. Okay, time to mix it all together.
Are you eating the brown off of my bread?
I don't think you're going to have much bun left, honey.
You want to just take the bun?
Great appeal. Banana peel. Are you ready to try some milky banana peach conditioner, Max? Are you expecting a call from the Queen of Egypt?
I see. Is it delicious? Is it? What are you eating?
Ow.
I see. Are you eating daddies? Yes, you're eating daddies, aren't you? Okay. Good job.